Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to send Snap from camera roll as normal Snap. First, open your Snapchat app. From here, tap on Pictures on the left. Now, go to Camera Roll. From here, select the picture that you want to send as a snap. Now tap on More options on the right. Once you're here, tap on the scissors icon. Now, use it on the whole picture as shown here. Once it's done, tap on the scissor icon again and confirm. Now it will be saved on your stickers. Now to use it, go back and tap on Save as Copy. After that, go to your usual Snapchat camera. Now just take a snap. Now tap on Stickers on the right. Once you're here, tap on the scissor icon. From here, you will get to see the picture from before. Now just select it and adjust it as you want. And then just send it to your friends or your story wherever you want. And it's done. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.